Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more amazing tips and recipes. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple and effective way to store crayfish for a long period of time without fridge. So if you love using crayfish in your meal but want to avoid spoilage, stick around, okay? This video is for you. Get your crayfish in large quantity, then divide them in bits. I don't use the sun dry method because most times it tends to rain. I prefer to use this frying method. This frying method does not only enables you or allows you to remove the dirt and debris easily, it also enhances the flavor. When you use this fried crayfish to cook your meals, you will notice a difference between the fried one and the sun-dried one. So no matter despite the fact that the crayfish came dried from the market, of course we buy dry crayfish, I'll still go ahead and fry, and after I fry them I'll go ahead and use either this tray method or the sieve method to remove the dirt and the debris. Okay, so using this method, you be careful so you'll be able to take out any seashells left over in the crayfish, or sand or stone or whatever, especially the chaff. It's not okay for you to cook your crayfish with the chaff. Of course, you don't want to be a bad cook. Okay, this is me using the sieve method. This sieve method is very convenient. It's most convenient because it does not allow the chaff to spill everywhere. Okay, after I fry the crayfish, I'll first of all allow them to cool off. Allow it to cool off before you can go ahead and sieve or even use the tray method. This is very effective. As you can see, the chaff are all coming out, and I'll take my time to select stone and seashells. My darling, if you try this method, you will definitely come back here to say thank you very much. I'll continue to do this in turns until all crayfish are well cleaned, and then I'll proceed to storing them in my airtight container. As you can see in this video, I have this crayfish in large quantity. Of course, I have to get a big container that can contain the crayfish. Go ahead and store them in your container, okay? It doesn't matter how big or small it is, as long as it contains what you're looking for, it's okay. So you can see the dirt in the crayfish is quite much because the crayfish is much. This might not be a waste because nothing in agriculture is a waste, but right now I wasn't able to think out what I could do with this, but I know it might be useful for people in poultry. Okay, if you have a poultry farm or someone who has a poultry farm around you, this is good protein for your poultry, as nothing is a waste, I say again. So guys, this is all the chaff I brought out in the crayfish. This contains the chaff, the dirt, the seashells, and even stones. I may not be able to show you everything bit by bit, but exactly what is found in that waste. So I proceeded to store them in my airtight container. You can use a foil if you have any to cover it. I added this nylon down first, and I added it up to cover up. Okay, so you can use a foil. If you don't have any, nylon is fine, or a clean paper is also fine. Hola, our crayfish are all well cleaned. So guys, this method will make this crayfish to last for more than 6 months without spoilage. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for me in the comment section. So I went ahead to blend some, roughly blended, and store in a ziploc because I do not have extra container. But it's okay if you can have another small container where you can fix in your blended ones. I decided to blend some for quick use. That's how I do it. When this blended one is all used up, I go ahead and still blend another set, so I'll have them handy. Okay, this way you can send it to your people abroad, or even keep them for as long as you can keep. More than 6 months. Yes, I keep repeating. Our crayfish is ready for storage. Please keep in a cool, dry place, not directly under sunlight. Okay, that is to also avoid being heated up and moisture. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.